In Nebraska, now with the passage of the new legislation, the discussion about the sharing of time back and forth is moving away from one of custody visitation to parenting time. What that means is that both parents are going to try through mediation or through their attorneys, talking with one another, to come up with a parenting plan. And if they can't come up with a parenting plan, then the court is going to put together a parenting plan for them. A parenting plan discusses and talks about how the parties are going to parent their children. It talks about where the children are going to be with parent A or parent B and for how long. It talks about who's going to have custody. It talks about where are the visitation swap points going to be. It talks about who's going to supply transportation. Many times I'll have a client that lives in Hastings and their former spouse or partner has moved to Omaha or moved to Scottsbluff. Well, when that happens, transportation becomes an issue. Who's going to pay for transportation? Some courts, if the matter is put in their lap, say that the visiting parent has to supply all transportation for all visitations. And that's just crazy if all of a sudden the other partner now moves away and it's 5 hours just to get to the place where the child is, and then 5 hours to back home, and then you have to repeat that at the end of the weekend. So the parenting plan addresses issues such as that. It can address all aspects of the parenting of the child in terms of school. Is it going to be parochial school? Is it going to be public school? Anything that you can think of that has to do with the child will be incorporated into this parenting plan. That's why it is so important that you have representation with you when you go about putting together a parenting plan. When you go to mediation, if you go to mediation, that's what you're going to mediation to do, is to put together the parenting plan. It is probably the most important document in the divorce that you will put together. You need to have an attorney with you who understands family law, who likes family law, and wants to help you so that the parenting plan that is put together is one that is fair to both sides and workable for your family. That's what we'll try to do here.